Imagine this. You wake up in the year 2035. Your AI doctor checks your health before you even leave bed. Your car drives you to work while you sip coffee and watch the sunrise. And your brain is directly connected to the internet. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, what if I told you? Many of these mind-blowing technologies are already here, and they're about to change your life forever. Stay with me, because number 5 on this list could literally save millions of lives. AI doctors that never sleep. Hospitals of the future may not need waiting rooms. AI diagnostic systems can now detect diseases faster, and sometimes more accurately, than human doctors. Brain-computer interfaces. Companies like Neuralink are working on tech that lets your brain talk directly to machines. That means controlling devices with your thoughts, restoring mobility for paralyzed patients, self-driving everything, not just cars, but delivery trucks, drones, and even ships. With AI in control, traffic accidents could drop dramatically and goods could arrive faster than ever. Quantum computing. This is computing on steroids, machines that can solve problems in minutes. From drug discovery to weather prediction, quantum power could reshape industries overnight. 3D printed organs. The global organ shortage might become a thing of the past. Scientists are already 3D printing living tissue. This could save countless lives and end transplant waiting lists. Nanobots in your bloodstream. Tiny robots could swim through your body, repairing cells and killing viruses. Space-based solar power. Massive solar farms in orbit beaming clean energy down to Earth 24/7. We're standing on the edge of a technological revolution. These breakthroughs aren't just about cool gadgets. They're about redefining what it means to be human. Hit subscribe, drop a comment with the technology you're most excited about, and share this video with a friend who loves innovation. Thanks for watching Futureverse, where tomorrow's world is today's story. Next up, the most mind-bending theories about the universe. You won't want to miss it.